What's up, y'all? It is your girl Darty here, back with another video. If you're new here to the channel, make sure you press that subscribe button, you like, comment, turn your post notifications. So this will be a weekend vlog into my life. I haven't did like a weekend vlog in a little minute. So this particular weekend, I went to go get my nails done. I went to my niece's first birthday party. Also, I went to a day party, then I went to a car show. So my weekend was pretty much packed. It was booked and busy. And also, y'all, I added the Gallons Times content, and I did that like last Sunday, like Super Bowl Sunday, whatever. We had a little, Gallon Times, we had to cater to ourselves. So y'all just enjoy the clips, enjoy the visuals, because I really didn't show my face like that in this vlog, like I said before. But hope you guys enjoy. Y'all stay tuned for the next vlog. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media at thatgirldarty. And remember to live your best life. And I'm out. Peace.
My mind. Yeah, my mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 on my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind is right. All these thoughts are troubling. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah. I really need time now. I need to free my mind. I really need my mind. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free my mind. I really need mine now. Yeah. If it wasn't for the money, cars, movie stars, and jewelry, all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still be calling me? Still be loving me?
Kinsley, can I see your shirt? Oh, yeah, my birthday. You so you look cute. Say hello, Charlton. I know. Oh, it is so cute. Happy birthday. Okay, never mind. All right.
Yeah, my mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 on my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're.
Look at you. Kinsley, have fun? No. Oh, look at you, girl dad. Oh, look at this little shirt. That's cute. Look at that dear. That's so cute. She like, my auntie's always got the camera in my face. Look.
This is 2023. We is technology everything.
Yeah, they can get, well, minus the socks. She thinks she, okay. Oh, yeah, you already.
I need to free my now. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free my now.
Everything. Appreciate you. So now we'll eat.
Happy birthday to you.
You know that. So the next day, y'all, I went to the car show that was here in Virginia, in my area. This is my first time ever going to this event. And I ain't gonna lie, it was pretty nice to see like all the different types of cars, the brands. We also got to like drive in some of the newer models, and child, they is nice. They are really, really nice. So y'all just enjoy the clips. And I tell y'all, I barely even show my face for this weekend vlog. Like, I was just giving more of a visual so y'all can just see a little bit more. Y'all know I like to do my vlogs. But yeah, y'all just enjoy.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to say. I got Lil Max with me, he the way. It's a big gap between us and the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a...
What? We just doing 5 miles an hour. I'm beating him to the road too. We're just gonna go around here. I ain't waiting for you. I did it. You know what I mean?
It's got a wireless charger right here. This does move as well. With more USB and C-type chargers down here as well. Heated seats in the back.
Ooh.
Glove box right there. It does also show you, if I get out of reverse, where the closest charging stations are as well.
Oh, okay.
And it does have ProPilot Assist 2.0. Basically, it'll drive on its own, basically. But you don't have to keep your hands on the steering wheel like a Tesla. As long as you look forward, the camera right here focuses on your eyes. It will completely keep driving, and it does have ProPilot Park, which will basically park on its own. They come in either all-wheel drive or front-wheel drive. Any more questions y'all got?
No.
Thanks for the presentation.
Yeah, but
Oh, okay. But then with them too, you don't need the transmission because the motors are usually on the front and back axle. So rear wheel drive, front wheel drive, or if it's all wheel drive. Alright, so that's gonna allow you don't gas up here, so you can really. So it's gonna be good.
ooh, that
Nah, bro, you picked this one up. So compared to let me see if I can go a little faster this time for y'all.
Appreciate it.
okay.
I was gonna go a little fast.
Niggas in their place, really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave you. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top and these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a Watts. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie so I'm always good where I'm at. For the Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in a brick. Tell them
Oh, is she cooking? Hey, toast to a new year, 2023. It's cheers to Miss Kendra with her new flames. Yes, Miss Black Girl Magic doing it by herself. I know that's what the plan is. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Cheers.
You just don't know the way I'm so bad. I'm and I just want to think, yeah.
The fact that you know the
Was it record?
Yeah.
Hey, y'all see? Kelly Times 2023.
I can't believe it's a new year like this.
I know.
Like,
Y'all look at
it's
y'all ain't
just
seen Meek in a minute.
Yeah,
Wait.
like I
Yeah,
remember
baby,
in
sister
2022
Glow.
a lot more. Like,
Yeah.
summer just seemed like it just passed.
Oh,
Yeah.
still dancing. Oh.
Hey. God is funny.
we like to party.